Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Riza, that girl all together, that girl R-A-I-Z-A, Riza. Thank you for coming back to my videos and just checking me out. Mi último video parece que no estaba en el mood de ustedes, pero eso está bien, está cool. Hoy vamos a hacer un poquito de sombra en los ojos. I don't have a specific look in my mind. What I do know is that I want to wear this lip gloss. And it's just a really nice, this light is a really nice pretty gloss. It looks just so natural. And I want to pair that up with Mocha Blush from MAC. Let's just do something quick on the eyes. And I hope, espero, que este video sí les guste más que el anterior. I have no foundation on my skin or anything like that. I just have some rough eyebrows.
So I'm taking that same blush and I'm going to use that as my transition color, mi color de transición. Aquí vamos a usar la paleta de Patrick Star. I'm going to take up that deep mauve shade and I'm just going to deepen my eye corners, as in my inner corner and outer corner, enfatizando así ese color más en las esquinas de los ojos. Ahora voy a coger esta sombra. It's like a baby blue, and I'm just gonna pop that in the center of my lid. So pretty. I use my finger to blend it out too and create a mirrored reflection effect on my eyeshadow.
Back to finish up the under eye look and a little bit more accents. I did already my foundation and cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead now and apply that blush, that whole purpose of the look that I went for my eyes or whatever. So let's just apply that really nice on the cheeks here.
Now lining my waterline with just a black kohl pencil because it's easier to smudge and blend and smoke out. I'm going to take now back that mauve shade and just blend out and smoke out my lower lash line. Here I'm pulling out my eyeshadow. It gives me like a blown out effect, which I love. Alargando más esa sombra, el ojo. Continuando, para terminar, voy a aplicarme esta sombra en líquido de brillo. It's like My Little Pony. I need to stop. I want my lips to be more contoured, so I'm doing the lip pencil first this time.
This is pretty much the finished look. Now I'm just gonna apply that lip gloss I really wanted to wear. This is Stripped Down by MAC. And just apply it to the center. So pretty. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Perdónenme que este video fue un poquito a la prisa. Apply some mascara and I'll be done. Chequeamos en la próxima.